Thanks for joining me for today's short scale study. Today, we're going to work out in the key of concert F minor. Before we begin, let's review the names of the notes that we're going to need for concert F minor. On bass clarinet, we're going to start with the note G. 3 fingers on top, 3 fingers on bottom, thumb in the back. Then A, first finger B flat, C, and D. That's the notes that we'll need. Let's begin. Number 1, minor 5's quarter notes. I've got my metronome set at 60 beats per minute, and that's the speed I'll use for the rest of today's page. Let's get started. 1, 2, start with G, and go. Next, let's move on to minor 5's eighth notes. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Now, let's move on and play that series in the pattern of thirds. 1, 2, ready, go. For the next exercise, we're going to focus on building our tonguing technique, and we're going to do the expanding intervals drill. Keep in mind that we still need our B flat first fingering for the B. Sometimes we make a mistake and we accidentally press down the second finger as a B natural. In the key of concert F minor, we'll need that B flat throughout. So if you've made any mistakes on any of the prior exercises, that's okay. Go back, rewind, and play them again. Remember, we want accuracy, and because when we get accuracy, we'll have success. Let's move on. Expanding intervals. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And finally, our last exercise. As I've said before, maintain a steady tempo and your best tone. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. And there we have it, concert F minor. I hope this has been helpful, and that I hope you'll consider playing this scale study and some of the other scales and their studies again soon. Also consider looking at some of our lesson book studies and practicing with them. See you again soon. Keep practicing.